Cześć! Witajcie kochani, zapraszam Was na moją kolejną lekcję angielskiego. Hello everyone! Let's start our English lesson. Today our lesson will be a little bit different. Let's sing our song first. The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo, choo. The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo, choo. The good morning train is coming, the good morning train is coming, the good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo, choo. And we say hello to you, how are you? Choo, choo. And we say hello to you, how are you? Choo, choo. And we say hello to Pani Magda, and we say hello to the toys, and we say hello to everybody. How are you? Choo, choo. Okay, let's start with checking the weather. How is the weather today? Where is my weather? Here. Let's look outside. My window is over there. Let's look outside and check. How is the weather today? Is it rainy? No, it's not rainy. Is it windy? No, it's not windy today. Is it snowy? No, it's not snowy anymore. Is it cloudy? No, not cloudy today. Is it sunny? Yes, it is. It's a very nice sunny day. So let's put the weather here. It's sunny. And do you remember how is the season? The season is spring. This is our season, spring. Okay, so as I said before, today our lesson will be a little bit different because today I want to teach you how to make a nice simple gift for your mom for Mother's Day. Today I want to show you how can you make a bookmark. I made some bookmarks before to show you. So what do you need to make these bookmarks? First you need some paper. I already cut it out a rectangle, and it's better to have a light paper, I think, light color. You need some paint. I put my paint like this because I'm going to use only my fingers, not paintbrushes, only my fingers. We need some markers, hole puncher, and ribbon. I picked a pink ribbon like this, and scissors. And what's very helpful is some tissue, because we're going to use our fingers, so tissue will be very helpful. And the wet one especially, it's very good to have. So let's start. First, as I showed you before, I prepared a piece of paper like this, and I'm going to use a hole puncher to make a hole. Here it is, and look. Put the ribbon through the hole, look, and tied it. Here we go, it looks really nice. And when you have a book, a ribbon really helps to find the bookmark. See, it looks really nice. So once we are ready with a ribbon, we can start to make our prints. As I showed you before, I made some flowers and butterflies. And I'm going to make it again to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to take a tissue and prepare here to clean my finger a little bit. And let's make, for example, some flowers. So let's do a purple color. And I usually put my finger first in the tissue so it's not too much paint on your finger. And I'm making dots. Up, up. And then let me show you. And I can make more dots. Let's use red color. Hop, 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 hop. You can make a few colors, then it looks really nice. Oops. When you're adding more colors, I can of course use more color, more paint, and then make it bigger prints. Okay, and wipe it off, and let's make a butterfly. These are two flowers. Now let's make a butterfly. So I'm going to use a marker and I'm going to draw some parts of the butterfly first. And then again I'm using, what colors I want? Green. So I'm making hop, hop, two fingerprints, and let's maybe do some purple. And that's my butterfly almost ready. Let's just add something here. So I have two flowers and one butterfly. I think I'm going to make more flowers. So let's use blue now. Blue. And we can make a purple flower. Another flower. And I'm going to use a green marker and draw some leaves and stem. And my bookmark is ready. Let's look at all my bookmarks, my 3 bookmarks. Of course, you can add different colors, and you can make sun and clouds, and you can make bumblebees and other things with your fingers. Be creative and have a lot of fun. And I'm sure that your mom or your dad, if you want to make it for him, will love this gift because it's handmade. You can do it by yourself without that much help. So I hope you can use this idea. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Dziękuję bardzo za kolejną lekcję angielskiego. Dzisiejsza lekcja była troszkę inna, ale mam nadzieję, że przyda Wam się ten pomysł, że skorzystacie i zrobicie taką fajną zakładkę dla mamy lub dla kogoś z rodziny. Nie zapomnijcie o guziczku subskrybuj. Oglądajcie i uczcie się razem ze mną. Zapraszam serdecznie i do zobaczenia. Pa!